One file, one command, whole stack. In this guide, you'll run WordPress and MySQL together with Docker Compose, no manual setup. Let's get started.
One container is easy. Many are chaos. Without Compose, you type command after command, a network, a database, a web app, a cache. Get the order wrong, and nothing works. Compose replaces all of that with one file and one command, Docker Compose up.
Create a folder for your project and open it. Inside, create a file called compose.yaml. This one file describes your whole app. Services defines each container. Image picks what to download from Docker Hub. Ports maps your browser's 8000 to the container's 80. Environment injects the settings. Volumes keeps your data safe. One file, two services, 0 installs.
Time to start everything. Type Docker Compose up-D and press Enter. Compose pulls the images, creates the network, creates the volume, and starts both containers. Look at that. 4 checks, 4 green marks. One command, whole stack, repeatable forever. Check the stack with Docker Compose PS. Both containers are up. Here's how they talk. Your browser reaches WordPress on port 8000, and WordPress reaches the database by its service name, DB, on the private network. Service name equals host name. That's the magic.
Open your browser and go to localhost 8000. WordPress is already asking for a language. Click Continue. Welcome to WordPress. Click Let's Go. Fill in a site title, username, password, and email. Install WordPress. Success. 2 containers, 1 command, and your site is live.
The Docker desktop dashboard shows the same story. Both containers are grouped under one project, WordPress, and both are running. One click starts or stops the whole stack. The Volumes tab holds your data. The Images tab shows what was pulled. Everything in one place.
Where does the data live? Not in the container. It lives in named volumes, like DB data. Docker Compose Down removes the containers, but keeps your data. Docker Compose Down -- volumes deletes it all. That flag is what wipes your database.
Manage the stack like a pro. Docker Compose PS lists it. Docker Compose logs -f streams the logs tagged by service. Stop pauses everything. Start brings it back. Restart reloads it. Down cleans it up. Data safe. Same commands on Windows, macOS, and Linux.
3 errors beginners hit and the fixes. Number 1, no configuration file provided. You're in the wrong folder, just CD into your project. Number 2, port is already allocated. Another app owns 8000. Pick a free one. Number 3, container name already in use. Leftovers from a previous run. Run Docker Compose Down first. Fixed.
Before you run, validate. Docker Compose config prints your resolved file. See how 8000:80 expanded into target and published. Compose can also wait for readiness with depends on and health checks. Preview first, then run.
One file, one command, whole stack. Write compose.yaml. Run Docker Compose up-D. Open localhost 8000. That's Docker Compose. Now go build something amazing. Like, subscribe, comment. Next up, Dockerfile.